Hey guys, how's it going? How to plan travel itineraries with Perplexity AI. First of all, go ahead to the Perplexity. For example, what to do in Paris in 3 days. Enter your question, right? And customize, itineraries. Like plan 5-day itinerary in Japan for family, for example, right? And basically you can ask for transportation advice. Okay, you could go and ask for how to travel from city A, right, to city B, right? And ask a follow-up question, right? Like, what are the best budget hotels in that destination near the landmark, right? Best budget hotels in destination from here near the landmark from here. Okay, and then ask for local tips. Okay, like what are the cultural adequate rules in this country, right? What are the cultural adequate in rules, sorry for that, rules in this country or this destination? Like, let's say, yeah, yes. And then just basically ask for events and activities, right? What events, right, are happening in the city this weekend, right? And next, optimize by season. What's the best time to visit this place, right? What's the best time to visit location? Okay. And lastly, ask for food recommendation, like top restaurants. Okay, top restaurants in this area, right, for local cuisine. And then basically this makes trip planning efficient and tailored to your needs. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.